What's up, y'all? Gonna do this video about a week or so ago. I actually recorded it and never posted it. I wanted to do a review on the OG Rig Edition pen. Not the original chamber, obviously. First thing I'm gonna say about it too is like the probably only negative thing I can find about this pen. Keep putting it in my pocket, and this glass chamber like breaks every time. That's why I have this shitty little tiny one on it. Needs a longer one because it gets oil in my mouth and stuff since it's that small. It's like probably 2/4 of the size of the original one. So that is the one thing that I wasn't huge on about that pen, but everything else I really like about it. It's got adjustable airflow on it. You can turn that up and down. It's got a little silicone jar underneath. It's not very big, but it's probably like a gram or so, maybe a little bit more than that. It's a decent pen though. It's got a huge battery life. I mean, this thing lasts probably, took me, I used it for 3 days straight before I had to charge it for the first time. And I mean, I used it like constantly those 3 days, and it didn't die till the third night, pretty much. Yeah, I'm gonna spark this up while we talk about a little bit more. Backwoods rolled up. It's actually has Death Star in it. It's an indica dominant strain, and it's fucking beautiful. The smaller versions of these torches, super clutch for lighting blunts. Definitely my go-to. Way better than any lighter. I highly suggest it, and I still haven't gotten on top of ordering a Martian, like Roach Bubbler, but getting on it, definitely. They've been sold out like everywhere for quite a while. Everybody's like eating them up because they're featured on everybody's YouTube channel, so you know everybody wants them. They're really cool though. I mean, I see why I want one too, so can't even. But yeah, so I have to say I'd give this a 9 out of 10. The only thing I wasn't huge about is just the fact that this is glass. I definitely like it better than the original, the Singrips pen, the R pens. It's got a plastic visual chamber, so it ends up melting the threads off. This doesn't have threads, obviously it's glass, but so I was glad that it wasn't plastic, but it sucks that, you know, you drop it, the rest of the pen's pretty much fine if it gets dropped, because this thing is a beast. I mean, obviously it depends how far and how hard you drop it and whatever, but it's done pretty well for me. I've dropped it on my pocket quite a few times, not gonna lie. The button's stuck a little bit, but other than that, it's been fine. I broke the first, like I said, I broke the first 2 glass chambers that it came with, and unfortunately they don't sell more of the orange chambers. For some reason they don't have replacement parts for it, so fortunately just a regular vape chamber works. That's what I used. I had an extra one laying around. That's why it's so small. Had I went to the store, I would have just gotten one that was a little bit taller than that, so it wasn't so close to the atomizer because it's a little hot, but it's not too bad. There's a little a screen kind of at the bottom of this or at the top of the mouthpiece, so it doesn't just come right up. It's not like the original pen. It's got something blocking it. Oh. So it doesn't go straight through. It's got these little tiny holes which actually get a lot of oil in them, and they get really clogged up, and you have to like blow through them and then wipe it off, and keep doing the same thing until you can get it out, unless you have something small enough to poke through those holes, which is pretty hard to find. I don't even think a tack would fit through there. I think it's too small for that even. Blunt down. But on another note, I just ordered a new quantum board for the tent. I also got a new tent, so we're gonna have 3 setups right now. We have a tent for veg, we have a tent for flower, and then I have, it's not a tent, but it's an enclosed setup, we'll just say, for autoflowers. So we have 3 different setups going on. I'm gonna have a pretty good constant cycle going on due to having so many tents. My quantum board's gonna be in probably Monday or Tuesday, and we're gonna get shit going. I started some seeds yesterday or 2 days ago. A bunch of blue cheese autoflowers, and then I have like 10 more black sin autoflowers. I'm gonna get those going tomorrow. I have the tent already started, and yeah, so we're gonna have a full tent. We're gonna have 3 full tents, and I'm gonna get a video up and show my other setups, and we'll get on that really soon. The seeds that I got aren't all feminized, so gonna have some males in there. I'm definitely gonna probably do a little bit of breeding and see what happens. So I might consider doing a seed giveaway, so keep your eyes open, and I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching, and I definitely would highly suggest this pen for sure. I would go with the lava quartz before the ceramic, but they do not sell spare lava quartz coils for this yet. They're supposed to be coming soon, but right now you're only able to buy a ceramic replacement coil for these pens. Just a heads up before you do buy them. But thanks for watching. Stay lit, fam.